We are in Nebbi District today at the Luo grounds. We have launched a clean cooking campaign. We have been sensitizing the masses on different methods for clean cooking, on how government is running an energy transition project for Uganda. And we are encouraging the citizens to stop cutting trees, to protect their environment, to stop using rudimentary methods of cooking because they are hazardous to their health. The soot that we inhale comes with health challenges, and it eventually leads to environments that are not clean enough. So it has been a very good response here. People are very emphatic and excited to receive the program. We have been able to have a demonstration from Starbucks on how to safely use the gas, because one of the greatest challenges that people were fearing were those of them that live in grass-thatched houses. Are they able to cook using gas cylinders? And it has been demonstrated well. It is a journey that we are starting with baby steps. It's not easy because we are fighting against mindset, we are fighting against cultural strides, and getting the people to be well accustomed to new norms and clean cooking will definitely take us some time. But here we have strategically invited people from all the 16 sub-counties of Nebbi, and the feedback is very good. They are excited and they are grateful to governments of Uganda for this initiative. The ministry is carrying out this across the country, and Nebbi is just one of those many spots that have been identified as a ground of reaching out the message to the grassroots. I am excited that my people are taking on this cause, because a clean environment is something that we all deserve for the future, for the betterment of our children, and for the safety of our own selves. A new generation is only sustainable by our own efforts. So I call upon everybody to embrace clean cooking. The electric pressure cookers have actually been on more demand even than the gas cylinders, because people have now appreciated the message that they are effective, they are efficient, they are affordable and accessible. To be able to cook beans with only 400 shillings with not more than a unit of electricity is much more that they can save using charcoal or firewood. So this is a call to all Ugandans. Let us embrace clean cooking, and with the forthcoming production of our oil, the prices of LPG will even go lower. So we look forward to a Uganda that is clean, that has embraced clean cooking for the betterment of our country.